In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group cells in Google Sheets, allowing you to easily expand and collapse sections for better worksheet management. This can be a powerful tool when working with large data sets, enabling you to focus on what's most important without losing track of overall information. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. You might already have some data prepared, and if not, feel free to create a sample dataset for practice. You'll first want to focus on grouping rows. Begin by clicking and dragging to select the rows you want to group. In this example, we're focusing on rows 2 through 8. This selection method highlights all rows between your first and last click, ensuring that everything in between is included. Now, navigate to the top menu bar where you'll find the View option. Clicking on View will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Group. This opens up further grouping options, allowing you to consolidate the selected rows. Specifically, click on Group Rows 2-8 to create your row group. Once the rows are grouped, you should see a small box with a plus sign on the left. Clicking this plus sign will expand the group, showing all the included rows. Conversely, clicking the minus sign will collapse this group, hiding the rows and making your sheet look neater. Next, if you're interested in grouping columns, select the columns you aim to organize. For this tutorial, we'll highlight columns D and E by clicking and dragging across their headers. After highlighting the desired columns, return to the View menu in the top toolbar. Click on it, then choose Group from the drop-down menu once more. You'll see an option labeled Group Columns D, E. Selecting this will group the columns, creating a toggle feature similar to that used for rows. On the right side of your sheet, a plus sign will appear next to your column headers. Clicking this will reveal the grouped columns, and clicking the minus sign will hide them again. This toggle ability is useful for reducing visual clutter when you don't need to see every detail at once. Using these options effectively can greatly improve how you interact with your data, giving you more control over what you see and focus on. By grouping both rows and columns, you're not only organizing your sheet more ergonomically, but also reducing the stress of scrolling through vast amounts of data at once. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different selections to better understand how grouping can benefit your workflow. Feel free to re-watch this video if you need a refresher on any steps, and thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial enhances your Google Sheets experience.